Friends, post budget, we are going to host an event called the Voices of Tomorrow. This event will be digitally streamed and it will be on our YouTube channel, ithought Advisory. It will be streamed live. So go subscribe to ithought Advisory, fill up the form in the description link and give your details so that we could send you the link which you can use to watch the live streaming of this program. A very interesting session awaits you on 4th of February and we will know what to do after the budget, where to invest in Indian equities, should we invest globally in international markets, and is it time to look at debt? Thank you for being of support to us and see you on the 4th of February in Voices of Tomorrow. Friends, in this video for ithought Advisor, I'm going to talk to you on a topic, learn to love a good correction. What happens when the markets correct? The immediate reaction in most people is to freeze. The irony is, everybody would be waiting for the markets to correct. When the markets refuse to fall, everybody would be talking to each other, asking, when would this happen? When would the markets correct? When would stock prices come down? When will I see stock prices where I want them to be? But yet, when the actual event happens, everybody goes into pause mode and freeze mode. Everybody will be looking at the other person. What's my friend doing? What's the other person doing? What's my stockbroker saying? What's CNBC saying? What's ET Now saying? What is the most popular FinTwit saying? And what I am saying in this video. So everybody would be looking at everybody else. But what I have learned from experience is that you should not look at others. You should learn to experience a correction, to participate in the correction, to utilize a correction, and to complete investment actions that have been long waiting. You must not wait when you see a good correction. In our work, we have teams which work towards executing what we wait for. So, we will discuss, should I buy this stock today now that it has fallen? Or should I wait for tomorrow? It's very tempting to postpone our work. It's very, very comfortable to delay our actions. But you still need to do the difficult thing. You need to act when you see a correction. But the problem is, you should size your actions. You should control what you do. Let's say I want to buy a company. I wanted to buy it at 900 rupees. It has fallen to 880. What do I do? Most people will say, let it come to 850. Then it comes to 850. What do? What I've seen is people again revise their target down to 825. Why do they do this? Because when the price falls, they revisit the numbers and at times realize that they have not been responsible in fixing the target in the first place. If that is the case, then waiting is correct. When you realize that you had set the target wrongly in the first place, this time make sure that you reset it in a way in which you would not need to revise it again. I'm perfectly okay with that. Because once you set it correctly, when that valuation comes or things become even better than what you expect, you will call yourself to action. Because that is the most important thing. You need to call yourself to action. In my assessment, people fail to do this most of the time. Because they are busy with other things. And getting that clarity in your head that at this price I want to do this thing is not easy. And because you avoid doing that, acting correctly when that price comes becomes difficult for you. So unless you do what is not easy, you will not able to accomplish what is difficult. And this is what happens in the investment lives of most individuals who do their investing themselves. I'm not saying that this does not happen in professional lives. It will happen to everyone who doesn't do adequate preparation. Once you have done that fine tuning of what you want to do, at what price, then when it appears before you or when it gets better than that, you are equipped to complete your investment actions and you are equipped to love a good correction. And then if it gets even better, if the cut in the market is deeper, if the correction goes much more than you expected, you will try to do a little bit more. You will have the composure to complete what you need to do, and you will not look around to see what your peers are doing, what your friends are doing, what those whom you generally criticize are doing, and what people tell you in all forms of media, television and social. They don't matter. You're intensely focused on your thing. And the most important thing now is to love a correction that is before you and get a few actions across, provided you're fully prepared with your math, your method and your numbers. Thank you for watching this video.